Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, March 24th, and this is my analysis for the Euro Yen. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord trading community, link down here in the corner at the end of the video. Also, don't forget to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com, to gain access to all these benefits listed below and more. So anyways, the euro yen is drifting up pretty decently, as you can see. If we go back out to the daily time frame, I still think there's a better chance this is going to end up going up and making probably some sort of a wave, some sort of an uptrend for a wave C, because I think this is three waves of A, I think this is three waves of B, and we're now should be in five waves of C. So we are most likely in an uptrend now on these higher time frames. Going down to the shorter time frames, it almost kind of looks like we need to make another push down to make more of a proper A, B, and C correction before we actually continue up. Now we have to be a little bit cautious about assuming that it's going down to make a wave C, because there's always a chance it just goes up and up and up, because when you're in a trend on the higher time phase, it likely will just keep on trending sometimes. But it seems more likely like we'll get a push down, maybe even go down and try to break structure for a wave C before we actually end up continuing the higher time frame uptrend to make a more proper looking ABC correction to potentially the uptrend on the daily time frame. So definitely keep an eye out for three waves down and pulsive up for an entry to go long, hopefully for the continuation of the higher time frame uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.